From the last class, we are taking home automation is case study. In that, we are discussing step 2, process specification of lights control. We take the diagram here. You may clearly observe in your PPTs, but here this is the mode. This is the mode represented here. Light state, lights level low, level high, state on, state off. Here state on, state off, and state on and state off. This is the diagrammatic presentation of the home automation case study process specification. This is the representation of domain model specification. These pictures will be clearly, you may observe in the PPTs, but here the domain model specification, like the class diagram, the abstracts are represented here. The abstracts are represented here. The important points you may observe in the PPTs. Here these are the abstracts. Information model specification, again this is the like class diagram, you may observe here also. You may clearly observe in your PPT. And the service specification diagrammatic presentation. Service specifications listed here. IoT level specification, here it is listed. Again local, here the system. And 7th one, functional view specification. In the 8th one, operational view specification of home automation case study of lights controlling. This is the device and component integration. This is the components representation. Application development, auto controls the light appliance automatically based on lighting conditions in the room. Light when auto mode is off, it is used for manually controlling the light appliance. When auto mode is on, it reflects the current state of the light appliance. Implementing RESTful web services. RESTful web services, that is the implementation part represented in the this slide. You may write it on your notebook. Implementation RESTful web services is the continuation. RESTful web services implementation. Implementation controller native service. Controller native service deployed locally, and the description. And implementation of application, implement application view, and implementation of the application. The last slide, finally integrate the system, set up the device, deploy and run the REST and native services, deploy and run the application, set up the database. This is the diagrammatic presentation. It is a case study of home automation case study. You have to copy the diagrammatic presentation of the 10 levels of lights control in a home. You write it on your notebook and submit as an assignment in 1 week. Thank you for the class. Next we will meet.